Hello, welcome back to AJM Learn. Today I'm going to show you how to make your product gallery image sticky inside the product page. So now I'm on my basic actual store page. Talking about this, your individual product pages. This is just kind of my sandbox site where I do random things, so ignore anything weird. But let's get into it. So the idea here is I've had some people ask me about this. If you had these long product descriptions, which I've had multiple clients who do have these long ones for whatever reason, then you lose the photo at the top. And even if this is a gallery, you have those thumbnails there, but it always stays at the top. So how do we make this sticky? We can easily do it with CSS. So let's hop over. This will be in the description as well as the post. But let me actually really quickly show you how to set this up. So on your product page, go to edit section format. You want to make sure you're either on simple or half. These are the two we're making it sticky would make sense. For these, it wouldn't because of the way for a wrap, it actually does just that. It kind of like wraps around the text. It makes one full length and it puts the next one at the bottom. And then for full, it's at the top. So basically simple or half, and they're two different pieces of code. So I'll show you those based on what you're using. If you like making things on your website sticky, I also have a post from a couple weeks ago where you can create that cool like split screen sticky scroll where you're scrolling and something stays on your website. So check that out. I'll link it here too. And let's get into it. Okay. So this is all, again, in the video description, also in this tutorial, so you can copy it. So this is targeting this type, so this basic gallery, what do we call this? Simple format, sorry, that we just set up. So it's targeting that, and it's really important you keep this here is saying to only do it, not do it on mobile, basically, because if we do this on mobile, it stacks, and this photo would just like stay over the text, and that's crazy. But we have it here on desktop, and as you can see, it stays sticky as you scroll, which is super cool. You can adjust the like top padding right here. So as you're scrolling, it does have this little bit of padding. You can adjust that right here if you want. Now, exact same situation for if you have this set up as the half format. So go back to edit section, go to half. So the code we just dropped in will not work. It has a different selector. So I'm pasting it in, but we're basically just changing the selector is different. But exact same thing is happening, and it is now sticky. As always, if any CSS doesn't work, refresh your page, but this one should work pretty easily. And I post videos every week with these hacks and Squarespace tutorials, so subscribe if you like them.